everyone. It's currently 6:43 in the morning. Honestly, there's no particular reason why I'm up this early. Well, no, there is a particular reason. My stomach is on fire, y'all. I ate literally so many Doritos Flamos last night, and literally, like, my stomach is on fire. I need some water. Hold on. So much better. Anyways, so this morning Christian woke me up so he could go to work. He wakes me up every morning before he goes to work, but he woke me up, and this only happened like once before, but I just couldn't go back to sleep. I don't know. So I'm up. I think I'm gonna go to the gym and do, I don't know, a little workout. I have some things I'm gonna do today, so I'm going to Julia's house early this morning. I'm gonna go to her house probably around like 10:30, but yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with her. And then let me wash my face while I do this. I'm using the Luna 3 by Foreo. If you guys haven't tried it, it's literally amazing. I just put my face wash on there, and then I click it and I wash my face. Excuse me. And it's really amazing. But yeah, so I'm gonna go hang out with Julia this morning, and then at 1:30 I have a nail appointment with Casey. So I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm getting spooky nails. Actually, I have to soak these off. I didn't even think about that. So I'm gonna have to somehow do that. I'm gonna have to look in my closet and see if I have any acetone to remove my nails. I can't go with nails already on. She's gonna charge me extra. This is the toothpaste I've been using, the 3D Fresh White. And I don't know if y'all notice a difference. I don't think I do. Hey, I just threw up in my mouth. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just had to throw up. Yeah, I don't know what the freak it is, but I cannot brush my tongue. Like, it never used to be a problem. And then all of a sudden one day I brushed my tongue and I gagged like so freaking hard. And now I literally cannot brush my tongue. It's so bad. I literally like almost throw up, and like that just happened. Like, I tasted the throw up, and then literally I was like, oh god, no, I'm gonna throw up. And I'm gonna put on my contacts, and then we're gonna get ready for the day.
You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We needed each other like drugs. Now I know what is happening. I'm up in the deal with Timothy. Distracting myself, need a remedy. At first I thought that she was sent to me. What's happening? We started out Freddie and Daphne. So good that it felt like a trap to me. The girl in my dream like a fantasy. But we've been caught out in reality. We reached the pinnacle of apathy. It must been a victim of gravity. Because it declined so rapidly. I thought she was just like a masterpiece. Cause you all I see in my gallery. I should have had a better strategy. Cause I was falling for you naturally. But you've been plotting on me actually. You left me with nothing but agony. I stuck by your side so happily. We treated each other like drugs. Now I do not know what is happening. They tried to warn me it was bad for me. But I just brushed it off so casually. I put all my trust in the love. And I became another casualty. Coincidentally, you guarded my back and then you attacked. I never thought you was my enemy. It wasn't always like that. I remember the days when your voice was a symphony. Music to my ears. I would wipe your face when you would cry tears and then try to protect you from your fears. I was doing all of that for 4 years, talking light years, not sure years. Shawty stressed me out, I need more beers. Tried to curry through like a warrior, but that wasn't enough. We went through the rough and the tough together, but tough was my luck. It got to the point I was just trying to keep my head up, stuck in the rut. Cause the woman I love would rather be comfortable out of the run.
It's currently 7:11 in the morning. I'm like really tired, but also I can't go back to sleep, so I just decided to have an early start to my day. Someone left their Truly can, so we're gonna go ahead and pick that up and throw it away. I'm gonna make a little banana, almond milk, strawberry protein shake. I don't know, you're gonna see. Okay, I have my little blender. We literally have so many bananas that we haven't ate yet, so I'm gonna just start literally making smoothies out the ass. But I'm just gonna take one whole banana and put that in my little smoothie jar. I'm gonna like kind of break it up a little bit. I'm using some just like original almond milk. I'm putting in about like that much. And this is the protein powder that I have. It's just the whey protein strawberry. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this. I'm actually gonna add a little bit more of almond milk. I already know that powder is gonna be like kind of hard to blend. Take the top, twist her on, ready to blend. I think it's blended, I'm not very sure. We're gonna try it. Pretty fire. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the day, and I'm going to drink my little protein shake. Alright guys, so it is now 9:30. I'm about to get dressed and then I'm going to, I don't know, just get ready to leave. I'm honestly probably gonna leave my house around like 10 or so. I might go get a pink drink. We'll see how I feel. It's currently at 10:14. I just got in my car. Well, I'm leaving now. Anyways, yeah, so I'm leaving the apartment and I'm going to be going to the bank really quick. I need to just get out a little bit of money. I do have nails on, so it's gonna be like $10 extra for her to take off my set. So I just need to go get some money and then I'm gonna head to Julia's house and we're gonna hang out. And then I'll probably go to my appointment around like 12:45, so I get there closer to like 1, just so that way like we have time to like soak off my nails and just like start early, so that way I'm not like taking forever. But honestly, right now my set is white, like it's French tip with a ghost, but honestly I'm thinking of doing black French tip with the scream face on my ring finger. But I don't know if she can do a scream face or not. I don't know, I don't think I've seen her do one yet, so honestly it would just really depend if she can do one or not. So I just got to Julia's house. This is the acetone I bought. I'm gonna try to soak off my nails so that way I don't have to pay $10. Sasha! Yes, perfect. Sasha! Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna hang out with her and then I'll see you guys later. Okay, so I went ahead and soaked my nails off at Julia's house. It's now 12:17. I'm about to go run to the bank really quick because I needed to get some money out. I was gonna get some money out at Walgreens, but you can only take like maximum $20 out, and I need to take like 2 20s out. So I'm just gonna go run by my bank real quick and then I'm gonna head to Casey's house and then I'm gonna get my nails done. I decided to stop at Taco Bell because I'm a little bit hungry, and I know if I don't eat now I'm gonna be like super hungry, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get food now. Can I get 2 chicken chipotle melts, okay, a small thing of cinnamon twist, and then a regular blue raspberry freeze? Okay. That'll be all.
D616.
Thank you. Oh my god, I feel like they were rushing me. I feel like she was talking to me fast. Like, what else? Arita? You know?
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running
Okay, so I just got done. I literally look horrible because of the like face mask and stuff, so don't mind that. But it's now 4:10 in the afternoon. This is what my nails look like. They're so freaking cute. I had this design saved, but it was like a long set, and this part was like glittery, but I didn't really want the glitter. And I kind of like it more without the glitter. But yeah, this is my little Halloween set. So it's 4:10. I'm about to head over to my parents' house because I want to go see my nephew and hang out with them for a little bit. So I'm gonna call my sister on my way and just like make sure that she's gonna be there. Then I'm going to, yeah, go hang out with them hopefully. Okay guys, so I'm home now. It's 4:38. Buggy, come here! It is his birthday tomorrow, guys. He's gonna be 1 year old. Can y'all believe that? Buggy! Like, he's already getting birthday gifts. All right guys, I'm gonna take off my lashes. It's like my eyes just like really hurt, so. Ugh. Feels so much better. But I have to go to like the Dollar Tree or something because I need to get a little gift bag, like a little, it's like a small one. I have a little gift, a little shirt that we got made for him for his birthday that I'm gonna give him tomorrow. And then on his day of his birthday party, he has like a big gift. Putting my lashes in this little Ziploc bag. So I accidentally deleted a few clips from the end of this because like I was clearing out my SD cards and I didn't realize that I hadn't edited this video yet. Well, yeah, here I am doing an outro. I did film this video like 3 weeks ago, so I do apologize, but the next video should be very much up to date. So bear with me. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I love the way I edited this video. I really tried my hardest on it, and I'm trying to work on my editing just so that you guys like enjoy my videos a lot more and they're not just so like cut vlog videos. I will still have those videos, but I also want to have some videos that are a little bit more edited just so that way, you know, it brings in a little bit of a different audience and just that I'm like kind of switching up my content and not just having the same thing all the time. But if you did like this video and the way I edited it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was in the comments down below. But yeah, like I said, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, turn your post notifications on, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!